Thank you so much for joining into my channel. How are you all doing? I am extremely sorry that I am posting my video after a century, and I'm really sorry for that. Today's video is going to be super interesting. I'm going to share with you my skincare regime. Before that, I want to tell you something is like couple of years back I was having cystic acne. कुछ भी लगा रही थी, कोई काम नहीं हो रहा था. No homemade remedies, nothing was working for me. So I consult a dermatologist, and after that थोड़ा बहुत तो मेरा problem जो है वो resolve हुआ था. Now again it has started because of my poor health. Has told me to do a lot of like exercises and stay away from junk. जब भी मैं थोड़ा जंक फूड देख लेती हूँ मैं उसके ऊपर टूट पड़ती हूँ. आई ट्राई टू कंट्रोल माई सेल्फ टू अ एक्सटेंट, लेकिन आप बिल्कुल भी नहीं खुद को कंट्रोल कर सकते हो. वो मेरे साथ हो रहा था. सो अगेन यू कैन सी आई हैव लाइक ब्रेकआउट्स. मुझे जो सिस्टिक एक्ने का प्रॉब्लम था वो फिर से स्टार्ट हो चुकी है. आई एम डूइंग मैनेजमेंट. सो ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते, लेट्स डाइव राइट इनटू द वीडियो. So I am going to talk is about face wash. The first thing which I use after waking up early in the morning is this. It is a Glogious. Now this face wash was recommended to me by my dermat. It has a skin friendly pH and it has really helped me to balance out the pH of my skin. After applying this, I don't feel that my skin is like getting dry or something. It is made up of natural ingredients for the radiant skin. I am not going through the ingredient list and all, but this face wash has helped me a lot in controlling my acne to an extent. But मुझे acne अभी भी होते हैं because of my very bad dietary pattern. I sometimes happen to eat like junk. Now I have been using this face wash from couple of years. It is slightly in the costlier side. After proper cleansing is toner. I use this Biotic Cucumber toner. It claims that it is for pore tightening toner with Himalaya water for normal to oily skin. Now this toner is very effective. If you are looking for a toner in budget, you can invest in this toner. I have been using this toner from quite a long time and I really love this toner. If I need to remove my kajal or lipstick, in that case I use this Garnier Micellar water. If you are looking for alcohol and paraben free, if you are looking for alcohol or paraben free toner, I would suggest you to use this cleanser water. It is very helpful in that case. It will help you to remove your kajal and lipstick very easily. I don't use it in regular basis, but only if I need to remove my kajal and lipstick. In that case सिर्फ मैं इसको apply. Moving on to the next step. So step number 3 is I use this Clinique moisturizer. It is non-sticky, non-greasy, and I really love this product. And it gets absorbed really fast in the skin, but it is slightly in the costlier side. The quantity is very less. So now, guys, if you have any better option, please comment me down below in the comment section. I would love to buy that. Most important thing which we miss out. Guess what? Yes, it is all about sunscreen. I hate using a sunscreen, but I have to use because मेरा sun exposure बहुत ज़्यादा है and I really get tan very quickly. Now this is La Shield Fisco sunscreen which was recommended to me by my dermat, and trust me, I hate this sunscreen. It has a SPF 50 and PA++. I don't like this sunscreen at all. First of all, it is very greasy, and second, it has that white cast. After you will apply it, you will have that white cast. Another option for my sunscreen is this Neutrogena sunscreen. Now this sunscreen has really helped me a lot. It has this SPF 50 and PA++. I use this sunscreen. I will not say that I love this sunscreen, but it has that dewy finish. It is better than that La Shield sunscreen, and this is my third bottle. Somehow I have to apply a sunscreen, and this is the best option. But sunscreen, I will say, in a budget, and it will give you that dewy finish after you will apply it. So this is all about my morning skincare routine. Now moving on to my night skincare routine. Now guys, night skincare routine जो है वो same है. Like I use this face wash, same toner. If I have a active pimple or acne, what I do is I apply this Body Shop tea tree oil only on the areas where I have this pimple and rashes. इसको apply करने के बाद ओवरनाइट रखती हूँ, नेक्स्ट डे क्या होता है जो एक्ने या पिंपल का साइज जो है वो रिड्यूस हो जाता है टू अ एक्सटेंट। आई वुड नॉट से दैट दिस इज द बेस्ट बट इट इज रियली हेल्पफुल। लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, द थिंग विच आई एम यूजिंग इंस्टेड ऑफ अ मॉइस्चराइजर एट नाइट इज दिस नेचर एलोवेरा। Now I am using it from last 1 week. You can see mint oil has that beautiful smell. It is made up of aloe vera moisturizing gel as well as aloe vera extract and peppermint oil. Currently I'm using this aloe vera in everyday basis. Instead of a moisturizer, I'm applying this gel overnight. Early in the morning I'm washing it away. Now mask is very important. If you want, you can make a homemade mask. Frankly speaking, I don't have that much energy to make a homemade mask, so I use this ready-made mask. Let me show it to you. It is very beautiful. It is made up of complete natural ingredients. So previously I used to apply it in everyday basis. आजकल मैं बहुत ज़्यादा lazy हो गई हूँ, मुझे टाइम भी नहीं मिल रहा है. So I am applying this mask once in a week whenever I am getting time, and trust me, it is very effective for the acne prone skin. Made for the sensitive skin, you can do spot management as well. This is my holy grail and I've been using it from like 3 to 4 years. And if you want to invest in a ready-made mask, you can go for it, or else आप अच्छा होगा घर पे ही homemade remedies अप्लाई करो. बट एक चीज, अगर आपका बहुत ज्यादा एक्ने प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है या पिंपल की प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, इन दैट केस घर का कुछ भी होममेड रेमेडीज कुछ काम नहीं करेगा. यू हैव टू कंसल्ट अ डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट बिकॉज दे विल रूल आउट कि किस रीजन से आपको वो एक्ने या पिंपल्स ब्रेकआउट हो रहे हैं. दे विल सजेस्ट यू टू डू सम ब्लड टेस्ट वगैरह, जिससे आपको पता चलेगा किस रीजन से आपको वो पिंपल्स हो रहे हैं. So with this, it's a wrap. If you have any kind of suggestion, feel free to comment me down below in the comment section. It's all yours. And मेरा next video आप किस topic के ऊपर देखना चाहते हो, आप comment section पे जरूर लिखें. So I'll make sure to make a video on that. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family.